Sunny, the technical director of CX. Today I want to show you how to do the HSE action tracking for your project. HSE Monitor, you can use HSE Monitor by if you are a member for management of HSE critical activities and tasks. And in order to try it, please insert in login name HSE and the password monitor, and then enter to the system. When you are entering in the system, your name will be here. If you are a member, you can personalize it, and then you can change your login name and password. And by that way, all the entries that you put on the HSE Monitor will be by your name registered, and it will be like an electronic signature. So I show you for how you can do the action tracking by the HSE Monitor. There is several databases here, and any actions in HSE Monitor, in front of them there will be two icons. One is View Item, and the other one is View Activity Log. The View Item is for see what was the entry. For example, the company inserted this perform battery calculation, what it's all about, and you can click here and you can see what are the things. And if you all have a comment, for example, you can click on copy and you put a contract here and you put your comment here like this, and then you save it. When you save it, your entry will come here. For example, all the comments like here, and you will see the things that are inserted here for any specific action. You also for the planning of this, if there is approved, you can, for example, click here. And you say, okay, you have to do certain studies for this action, and for example, do the fire explosion risk analysis, and then you put this here. It will be logged here, and you can assign a task, and this task you can give it to somebody, and for example, say, okay, this task has to be done by this time, and it will be registered here. When this is the due date, not started, and this task belongs to you. And if you want to give it to the other people, just click on Edit and insert as, for example, the process engineer, the structural engineer, HSE, etc. And then you click on Save. For example, if you don't want this, you bring it back here, and then you save it. So when you do this, the only task that you assign it to other people, all their tasks, it will be logged here, and you can see all the tasks for priority, status, and assignment, and you can see all of these things here. For example, if you want to, if there is any task here, for example, there is an HSE procedure here. If you finish this task and you want to say, okay, mark complete, and it gets out of your task list. So that's the way that HSE action tracking works. At any time, you can send the link to the person by post by their email, and there will be a link of this page. Any pages, you can send it to the concerned body. You can also print these things at any time, and it will be written here, and we can print it and take it to the meeting for discussion. You can export these things and insert it to your EDMS and your company document control. Anything that will be entered here, any actions can be, when you put in the system, there is a web link, and this web link can be in the links to your document control system, and the documents will be in your EDMS, but here they will be linked to this, and the people can open it only when they are in your offices. HSE Monitor is a very secure site, and certain companies like even NASA use it in the server is in the United States, and it can be like an online banking, like HTTPS, but anyhow, if your company prefers to have the documents in their document control system, there can be a big link to the EDMS, and you can trace it. But these databases here is really for communication between the company, contractors, vendors, and the regulatory body to insert the action and communicate it to the others, and for management of the critical activities and tasks. So I hope that you got the main point of this. You can ask an expert and insert your questions, and an expert will answer to you. And if you are a member, you can conduct a WebEx meeting with the vendors. You can either host it or they will host, and you will enter the meeting. You will get a meeting number in your email, and the password you enter into meeting and discuss with the expert. There is if you click on HSE Monitor User Guide, there is a WebEx meeting guide, and you can use this, and you can see how it works, and use a WebEx meeting to share your information with the other parties in the project. This presentation will be saved here. You can use it at any time, and I hope that one day you use HSE Monitor for HSE action tracking for your project. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye now.